5 Sex Secrets That Drive Women Wild, by Julia Lauder, www.menschhealthsexabyss.com. You have probably thought about what it would be like to be a rock star in the bedroom. Every man has. Unfortunately, most men will never take the time to make it happen. You are one of the few who took the initiative and found this video. Congratulations! Now here are a few secrets about women you must know before you continue. A woman will never tell you if you suck in bed. While a woman will complain for hours to her girlfriends about how clumsy and clueless you are in the bedroom, she will never, ever tell you. A woman would rather put up with average sex than risk of telling you and hurting your feelings. Instead, she'll usually just fake like she's enjoying it. Have you ever worried that a woman might be faking it when she's with you? If so, you're not alone. Women fake it all the time. Since a woman won't ever tell you that you suck in bed, a lot of times guys never know that they are doing anything wrong. Some guys are even fooled into thinking that they are good, when in reality, the woman is lying there wishing she was with someone who really knew what they were doing, so she wouldn't have to fake it. For detailed and very honest information on what women really want but are never going to say, check out www.menschhealthsexabyss.com.